In this video, I developed a front end for QwQ-32B, Alibaba's newest reasoning model, and demonstrate several different applications. You can go to my GitHub space and click on the AI engineer memo, go to AI Q1, QwQ-32B, and find the codes from this file, gguf stream pipe. Then you can run streamlit run gguf streamlit.py in your local server to host QwQ-32B. Make sure you have all the package installed and you activate your virtual environment. Let's take a look at the user interface. So copy this example prompt, paste into the chat input and hit enter. Then the model begins to run. If you want to start a new chat, just click on the new chat and copy paste another prompt and run. And you can also input your own prompt. For example, what is the capital of USA? In this demo, I use the quantized QwQ-32B model, QwQ-32B Q6K GGUF model. And the system usage for the GPU usage, it occupies 32 gigabytes of memory, and it run in the full speed. I use RTX A6000 GPU. And the output token is around 22 tokens per second. The reasoning is quite impressive with this small model. Let's wait a little bit until the end to check the output to see the speed of generation. Okay, the answer is no. It is around 22 tokens per second. Let's take a look at the code. So in this code, I use the llama-cpp to run the model. So make sure you install the llama-cpp Python in a correct way. So I put a note here to help you to install the llama-cpp. Also, you have to install the streamlit in order to run the front end. So for the model, I increased the context window size to 20,000 in order to fit into the memory. You can increase this number as well. So right now it takes 32 gigabytes of space. I believe that you can increase this to like 50,000. So the history, I set it to 10. You can change this history. And for the temperature, I set it you can to change. The default is 0.6 and the maximum output token is 4094 tokens. You can definitely increase these tokens. You can double it or even triple it in order to generate enough token, because the reasoning really takes a long time and generates a lot of tokens. So for the model, I use the QwQ-32B Q6K. So the rest of the codes are about the streamlit. You can modify based on my codes.
Sunrise rise, the city go, rushing fast as the streets unfold. Taxi lights and subway lines, every heartbeat keeps the time. Be strong, no time to wait. Hustle hard, don't hesitate. Crowds are moving, dreams in tow. Risk is life, find the goal. Oh, New York, you never sleep. Every soul is chasing dreams. Fast birds high, foot race. Find your fire, find your place. Neon lights, the city's big bright. Work all day, shine night. Through the noise, through it all. Sunrise paints the city gold, rushing fast, the streets unfold. Taxi lights and subway lines, every heartbeat keeps the time. Coffee strong, no time to wait. Hustle hard, don't hesitate. Crowds are moving, dreams told. This is life on the go. Oh, New York, you never sleep. Every soul is chasing dreams. Scrapers high, footsteps race. Find your fire, find your place. Neon lights, the city's bright. Work all day, shine all night. Through the noise, through it all. rushing fast, the streets unfold. Taxi lights and subway lines, every heartbeat keeps time. Coffee strong, no time to wait. Hustle hard, don't hesitate. Crowds are moving, dreams in tow. This is life on the go. Oh, New York, you never sleep. Every soul is chasing dreams. Skyscrapers high, footsteps raise. Find your fire, find your place. Neon lights, the city's bright. Work all day, shine on all night. Through the noise, through it all. Sunrise lights, the city go. Rushing fast as the streets unfold. Taxi lights and subway lines, every heartbeat keeps the time. Be strong, no time to wait. Hustle hard, don't hesitate. Crowds are moving, dreams in tow. This is life on the go. Oh, New York, you never sleep. Every soul is chasing dreams. Skyscrapers high, foot race. Find your fire, find your place. Neon lights, the city's bright. Work all day, shine night. Through the noise, through it all. Sunrise paints the city gold. Rushing fast, the streets unfold. Taxi lights and subway lines, every heartbeat keeps the time. Coffee